Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Okay, today is group discussion 4, and today Nicholas and Roy Clement will present about their DIY project 3. And before we start, we introduce ourselves and give our metric number. First, my name is Ahmad Nubli Anas and my metric number is 201304. Next.
My name is Siti Hajar Maisara Binti Hassan and my metric number is 198986.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal Afiq bin Muhammad. My metric number is 201209.
Hi everyone, my name is Jerry Wesley bin Snaja. My metric number is 202135.
Hi, my name is Farah Pizana bin Abdul Salam and my metric number 202502.
Hello, my name is Nicholas Analis Tenedi. My matrix number is 201339.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Wan Muhammad Bakir bin Mahdi. My metric number is 201224.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Muhammad Aidil Hakimi bin Zapini. My metric number is 201262.
My name is Sulaiman Anari and my metric number is 201G47. We are going to present our car project. This is our member, Nicholas and Ray. It is our DIY car. In this project, we will make a simple application for the car using a basic part and some creativity when you are building the project. This project is made for a marketplace or mechanical engineering challenge in the school library or at home. This project is very simple, which the design can be changed according to your design and your source of your material. And these are the advantages and disadvantages of the project, which will explain is environmental friendly, the material is easy to obtain, and the material is recyclable. However, the project it can only be made in indoor and it is hard to build the project. These are the material are motors, bottle caps, skewer, straw, motor, battery, and glue gun, and lastly scissor. Next, I will let Nicholas to share the video how to build the project.
Thank you for watching our video. Sorry, there is no video during the power car traveling because there is a problem during our demonstration.
Okay, we are off to discussion. We are feel free to ask any question.
Before that, I want to ask anyone our project. What do you think? Any of you?
It is a good idea.
Thank you.
Can I know what is the how do you get the idea to make this project?
We get this idea on the project because we know that during the 2020 era, there is Thank you for watching our video. Sorry, there is no the video during the power car traveling because there is a problem during our demonstration.
Okay, we are off to discussion. We all feel free to ask any question.
Before that, I want to ask anyone our project. What do you think? Any of you?
It is a good idea.
Thank you.
Can I know
Anyone?
what is the how do you get the idea to make this project?
We get this idea from the project because we know that during the 2020 era, there is a Tesla car. Everyone knows about Tesla, right? It's electric car. That's where our idea comes.
I have a question. One of the disadvantage is hard to build, right? So why is it hard to build?
It has to build because it uses a lot of electrical knowledge because it uses some electrical component such as motor and battery and also some wire to connect at the perfect connection.
Previously you said that it only can be used indoor, so I want to know why it just can be used indoor and not outdoor too.
The battery is exposed to the outside. It cannot be played when there is a wet area. If we expose to the wet area, the battery will be spoiled or broken, and the car cannot be moved.
I want to ask something. So since this project need electric kits such as the motor to build this project, so that means only people that learn electricity and electronic can build this project, or anyone can do it?
Actually, anyone can do it because you can use the internet actually to search everything about electrical engineering.
I have a question. From the video, I see you guys connect the motor with the fan. Can I know what is the purpose of the fan?
The fan is used to produce the air to push the car move forward.
Any other question for you guys?
Okay, since you said that it is complicated to build this project, so how long that you take to build this project?
The average time is between 30 to 50 minutes because you need to assemble the wire and the motor and the battery as well.
Not too long.
I have another question. Can I know why you guys choose the bottle as the body for the car, and why not use normal body as we can see cars nowadays, like normal car? And why you choose the shape of the bottle?
Bottle is lighter than the normal car. The normal cars are much heavier than the bottle.
And it's hard to get also. So we use a bottle.
Okay, so how about the force exerted on the body when it is moved?
What can you improve about your project? For maybe if you can build the DIY project next time.
I have a suggestion. I think that you guys should install gear at the both of tire so that the power of the car will be increased. And with gear, we can control the speed.
I also have a suggestion. Instead of using a weight bottle, maybe you can use the lighter one. So it is it can move easily.
What do you mean the lighter one than the bottle? Do you mean paper?
No, I mean that your bottle look like it is weight. So I suggest that maybe you can use lighter bottle, so it is can move more easily.
You guys can use polystyrene.
Okay, Hakimi, I think with you have a remote control car, right? Can you show to Ricky and Nicholas a proper one?
Okay, this is the proper controller car. So they have a motor and maybe another gear in here. So that's all.
Okay.
Before we end our discussion.
I think that's all for the discussion about DIY with the tree, right? Okay, for the next week. Next week we Raya, right?
Holiday. Yes.
Okay, next week group 4, which is Cherry and Farah for the spoon name. Okay.
Before we end our discussion.
I think that's all for the discussion about DIY with the tree, right? Okay, for the next week. Next week we Raya,
Holiday.
right?
Yes.
Okay, next week group 4, which is Cherry and Farah for the spoon name. Is that right? Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Do you guys have any word to say?
For me, no.
Okay, I think that's all for tonight. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
You guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Night.
Thank you.